That's the moment a great shoe fails. And in 2025 with the tech we have, that failure isn't an accident, it's a design flaw. Over the last miles, across mud, rock and sheer mountain faces, I've pushed 5 of this year's most hyped trail runners to their absolute limit. One of them didn't just fail, it betrayed me. Today, I'm revealing the raw, unfiltered rankings. Not from a catalog, but from the trail. The blood, the sweat, the near disasters, your safety and your personal record depend on this. Every shoe, every pro, every catastrophic con is linked below. This isn't a review, it's a survival guide. Let's find your perfect pair. Starting at number 1. Saucony Peregrine 15. Who this is best for? The Saucony Peregrine 15 is an easy choice for trail runners who want strong performance without the hefty price tag. It's ideal for most runners, new or experienced, as they are versatile enough to handle rolling hills or alpine boulder fields. This shoe is dependable mile after mile and continues to be a favorite among our team for its unending comfort. The shoe fits similarly to a road running shoe, so if you are making your way from road to trail, these are a solid, familiar feeling option. Why we love it. With sharp 5.6mm lugs, the Peregrine 15 is equipped for high alpine adventures, but its midsole is perfectly ready to take you through your daily runs as well. It brings durability, traction, and comfort in one streamlined package, and does so at a fraction of the price of similarly performing models. Its 30mm stack height and 4mm drop strike a balance between ground feel and protection, making it feel nimble yet forgiving underfoot. Should you buy it? If you're after a no-fuss trail shoe that delivers on comfort, traction, and value, the Peregrine 15 won't disappoint. However, if you're a seasoned trail racer looking for cutting-edge speed features like a carbon plate or rocker geometry, this shoe might feel a bit too classic. The Peregrine doesn't have the flash of some premium racing models, but for steady, confident trail miles, it's a solid and affordable performer that continues to earn its spot in our lineup. Number 2. Salomon Speedcross 6. Who this is best for? The Salomon Speedcross 6 is made for runners who live for the challenge of sloppy, rugged, and unpredictable mountain terrain. If your typical trail run involves mud, snow, slick rock, or steep climbs, the Speedcross 6 offers the kind of grip and build that thrives in those conditions. It's not your everyday trail shoe, it's built for when the going gets messy, technical, and steep. Why we love it. With its crimpin-inspired design, the Speedcross features 5.5mm multidirectional lugs that deliver powerful, 360-degree traction. They even extend upward on the toe box for added bite on a sense. Combined with sticky outsole rubber, this shoe locks you in on slick granite, muddy switchbacks, or snowy slopes. One tester said, "It's the shoe I grab when I know the trail is going to be wet, rugged, or downright gnarly, and I need to trust every step." A fellow tester agreed, noting, "There's usually a trade-off between sensitivity and underfoot protection, but the Speedcross 6 walks a fine line that manages to keep a foot in both realms." Should you buy it? Not everyone needs what the Speedcross brings to the table. Its 12mm stack height and aggressive structure can feel unstable if you're mostly running on moderate trails, fire roads, or dry single-track. It's not ideal for asphalt or desert heat either, where the lugs wear quickly and the upper retains heat. But if you already have a more general-purpose trail shoe and want a specialized option for technical mountain days, the Speedcross is a killer addition to your trail rotation. Number 3. La Sportiva Bushido 3 Women's. Who this is best for? The La Sportiva Bushido 3 is a capable shoe with traction that can handle just about every kind of trail condition. Whether you're heading into slick spring snow, rocky alpine terrain, or long summer trail runs, the Bushido 3 has the stability, breathability, and protection to make it your go-to pick year-round. It's a great fit for those who don't want to buy a different shoe for every season or surface. Why we love it. We keep reaching for the Bushido because of how sensitive and responsive it feels underfoot. This is the one we trust when we need precise feedback from the trail, when every step matters. Its secure heel lock supports quick adjustments and high-speed confidence, while its durable build, toe cap, and lugs give it the bite and toughness to go anywhere. The Bushido 3 strikes an ideal balance between agility, structure, and comfort, and it's priced surprisingly accessibly for such a versatile performer. Should you buy it? If you're looking for something ultralight or minimal, the Bushido might feel a bit heavy. But given how much protection and stability it offers, that's a trade-off we're more than happy to make. For anyone seeking one tough, all-season trail shoe that can do it all from fast runs to rugged explorations, the Bushido 3 comes with a strong recommendation from the Gear Lab team. Number 4. Hoka Speedgoat 6. Who this is best for? The Hoka Speedgoat 6 is best for a runner who tackles various terrain and trail types. Find yourself on rocky inclines, rolling hills, gravel paths, and much more? These are a great option. They have a dense foam midsole, which lends itself to better stability and foot protection, though it can take some time to break in. Why we love it: after we broke in the shoes, we were pleased with the support and stability they provided. We confidently took these on every trail we could find, with traction that exceeded our expectations. Lead tester Ally Archery notes, these were super grippy across various terrain types. The new lug pattern bites down well, even on sand-covered granite. Should you buy it? The Speedgoat 6 is a solid choice for runners who cross over many ground types. Keep in mind, they have a break-in period, so out-of-the-box comfort shouldn't be expected. The regular width is on the more narrow side, so if you have wide feet or prefer extra wiggle room, we recommend ordering the wide version. Number 5. Altra Lone Peak 9. Who this is best for? The Altra Lone Peak 9 is a great choice for runners and thru-hikers looking for reliable all-day comfort, a spacious toe box, and a stable, low-riding shoe. Its traction makes it a good choice for loose and technical terrain. Lead tester Matthew Richardson mentions, the stability is one of my favorite perks of a lower platform. It allows for a softer cushion feel compared to many taller shoes that use denser foams for support. Those who like a soft, natural ride and want a good ground feel without sacrificing protection will get along well with the Lone Peak 9. Why we love it: the Lone Peak 9 continues to deliver the out-of-the-box comfort the series is known for, with updates that improve confidence on tricky terrain. The new ripstop upper has better durability, while the tweaked midsole and outsole compounds keep things agile and responsive underfoot. It's like the comfy sweatpants version of a trail shoe, and this line has long been a favorite for days when distance and comfort matter more than pace. Should you buy it? If you are in the market for a low-drop shoe, this is the one we recommend. The Lone Peak remains a tried-and-true choice for trail runners, offering generous forefoot space, reliable traction across varied terrain, and impressive durability mile after mile. While runners who prefer a more energetic ride with extra bounce and plush cushioning may find its flatter profile underwhelming, the shoe's consistency, stability, and overall dependability continue to make it a favorite for those who value reliability over flash. And that's the truth. Your trail is waiting, and now you have the map to conquer it, but knowledge is useless without action. Your next step is literal. Every single shoe we tested, from the champion to the one that let me down, is linked in the description below. Find your match, click, and gear up before you go. If this data-driven breakdown saved you from a costly, or dangerous, mistake, smash that like button, share this with your running crew because their trust is in their grip, and subscribe and hit the bell because next week we're diving into the gear that nearly ended my season and how to fix it. The trail calls. I'll see you out there.